President Emmerson Mnangagwa is now forgetful and being cheated into signing off multi-million-dollar deals by corrupt individuals around him. Firebrand war veteran Blessed Geza is claimed in his latest video. Sana vina mashuka tona Geza akwatakane another angle. Achiti mtungamiri wenyika panguva ino aiwa wanga vachita zvavo vachirizana noda kuti panapa vanhu vakuteka advantage auye kumusainisa zvinhu zvinoonekwa kunzi multi-million-dollar deals akungobuda achingoitiwa noda kwehangamwa dzavava nadzo. Ndotiba subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita pano pa news day vamudonyora chiti he claims to have engaged members of parliament MPs to ensure Mnangagwa is impeached for gross economic mismanagement, corruption, and the targeted stripping of the state-owned entities that are being sold for a song to his cronies. In quotes, we are impeaching him so that he can rest. Mnangagwa is no longer mentally fit to lead the country. He is suffering from vascular dementia. We have got copies of his medical results, said Geza in the video shared Wednesday night. His doctors have already told him his family is away, and the looting mafia is also away. Unfortunately, some members of his family and the looting mafia are taking advantage of his memory loss and forgetfulness and making him sign documents they are using in looting the country. Because of his vascular dementia, Mnangagwa was no longer aware of what is going on around him. It is so serious that on Thursday last week, he even forgot who July Moyo was or what ministry he runs. Chiwenga is eyeing the country's presidency with the alleged backing of the same army used to prop up Mnangagwa. The former army general is said to be targeting criminals around the presidency, a state also used to justify Mugabe's ouster. These criminals, according to Geza, are now taking advantage of Mnangagwa's mental state and using him to sign off deals and tenders in their favor. Thomas Komda Njongo panapa aiwaniwa kumana newsday.com vachiti aiwa zviri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino ine makozi ari yachishedzekwa naBomshogeza zviratidza kuti zviri kusiririsa panguva ino kuti panapa there are some people who are taking advantage auye kuti mutungamiri wenyika ava kukangamwa sekutsanangura zvakaitwa naBomshogeza. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.